Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are taking a look at a classic English pub meal, and that is Hunter's chicken, which is not to be confused with the French chicken chasseur, which is a totally different dish, and I may look at that in the future. Now all you need for this classic pub dish is some chicken breasts, some bacon, some cheese, and some barbecue sauce. Now of course you can use your own homemade barbecue sauce, but a pre-made sauce works well too, and is quite often the cheaper option as well. Now I want to start by wrapping your chicken breast in at least 2 slices of bacon. Now over here in Denmark we have quite thin bacon, so yeah, sometimes you want to go for a little bit extra if you are using thinner slices. And then you want to place it in a baking dish and bake for 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked through, and you do not want to drain the juices that come out of the chicken, even if it does produce quite a lot. Next you want to pour over 250 ml, or roughly 1 cup of barbecue sauce of your choice. Sprinkle over 100 grams of grated cheese, once again of your choice. I personally chose a 50-50 mix of cheddar and mozzarella for the perfect flavour and melty topping combination. Then you just want to bake this through for a further 5 minutes until the cheese has melted and browned slightly on top. Now for some reason there is an unwritten rule in British pub dishes where they all have to be served with peas and steak cut chips, such as pie peas and chips, steak peas and chips, fish peas and chips, and this dish is no different. Now of course fried chips are the absolute best way to go, but I personally am not the biggest fan of cooking with large pots of oil, but sometimes it is a requirement. So you can just oven bake your chips, that is just fine as well. And then personally I'm just using some pea and carrot mix because for some reason at the moment peas on their own are really hard to get hold of. Then once everything is cooked, simply plate and serve, spoon over some of the barbecue sauce and enjoy. And there you have it, another short video and a British pub classic Hunter's chicken. Now that does it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know with a like and a comment down below. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week where possibly I might be able to make 3 minutes on a video. Thanks for watching. Not to be confused with the French chicken chasseur.